Welcome to the future of SEO with ShineRanker. This system's really, really cool, again, because you can get started today with AI video, and you can use a tool like ShineRanker right now for just $1. We have a $1 trial. You can try it out. You can see what you think. And I'm going to show you the whole process here. If you like it, go to the link below this video and get this tool for $1. Let's talk about what this system actually does. So first of all, ShineRanker is an AI tool that helps you find viral topics. It helps you create content. We have Chat GPT integrated into it, so you don't actually have to go and pay for Chat GPT on a different website. We have a lot of really cool features in here, along with the full step-by-step checklist and resources and content and tools. We have so much in here. But what we're going to be talking about specifically today is this AI video tool we've been really focusing on. So this tool basically allows you to generate content with AI avatars. Let's go to this one. You can see it got 1,422 views. And if I click on it, you can listen to it here.
You need to try right now. The first website is Midjourney. Midjourney enables the generation of AI images of any imaginable concept.
So let me just show you really quickly how this tool actually works. If I go to the video generator tool, it will allow me to go and upload a list of websites. Okay, so here I have a list of about 5 websites. If I click on view, I can see what's actually in the spreadsheet. And this is what it looks like here. If I don't have a list of websites, I can go to the checklist inside of ShineRanker and I can use these tools. I can use any of the tools inside of this checklist. There's also another feature inside of ShineRanker. If I go back to AI video tools here, click on web scraper, this will actually allow me to go and generate a list of AI tools as well. If I click on scrape, this will go to Google, find a bunch of AI tools. It'll give me over 50 of whatever the websites are that I search for, and then it'll actually give me a downloadable checklist that I can go and just upload into this other tool, okay? But either way, once we have a checklist, we just add it in there. Then we select how many videos we want. Let's say we want 5 videos at a time. If we want subtitles, we can click on enable subtitles. If we want Chat GPT to go and rewrite the script for these videos, we can do that. And then we can choose a pre-made voice, or you can see that it says name test here. This is, we're actually testing our own voice. We can upload a cloned version of our own voice in here as well. But let's just use a pre-made voice for now. We'll use this one. And then what we're going to do is just click on generate. Okay. So now what ShineRanker is going to do is it's going to go generate us 5 videos. And the way this works, by the way, what ShineRanker is going and doing is it's taking 5 of those websites at random from that list. So we have 5 websites, but we could have uploaded a list of 100 websites. It'll take 5 at random. So let's say this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, and it'll randomize videos for us. So it's all unique content. So that way we can schedule content like this out on social media. Now the next feature we can do in here, because again, right now, the first video that gets outputted is just going to be a simple website video like this without an intro or outro. So it'll just say top websites, right? Here's what it sounds like.
The first website is Linking Professionals. LinkedIn is the premier professional.
So obviously I could just go upload it straight like that. But if I wanted an intro and outro, I could click on intro and outro, select a voice. We'll do the same pre-made voice here. Actually, I think it was this one. And then I can select an image. So if I want to go click on change here, I can select a image that I would like to turn into a video. And then this will take an avatar, or it could take a picture of me as well. And it will actually turn that into a talking video. And I can customize my intro and my outro text here. Okay. So if I put all this together, what will happen is I'll get a video that looks like this, the one I just showed you a second ago, or like this.
Here is the file.
And I can just get all these videos with my call to action in this video. So then I can go sell whatever I want, right? And some of these videos will get, a few thousand. Some of them will get tens of thousands. We've had, look at that one got 2,500. This one got 38,000. That one got 17,000.
These websites.
These videos work actually pretty well, and they get a lot of leads. Now, this is just the first part of the equation, right? Just generating the content. And some of the features we're adding into ShineRanker are going to help you do this at an even larger scale. But again, you can see how cool this is. We're just automatically generating these videos in just a couple seconds. This would normally take hours to do if you were to go and clone the voice, do the text to speech, add the videos, do the screen recordings, edit them in CapCut, And now we're able to just do this in a couple seconds. And we can even download this spreadsheet here with all of the different dates here. So I could go and say, okay, I want the first one scheduled for the 17th, the next one scheduled for the 18th, and then the 19th. I can put my titles and captions. I can click on download, and I can actually import all of these into a social scheduling tool in a few seconds. And I can have hundreds of videos like this scheduled out every single day. When you get the $1 trial and you click on the ShineRanker VIP right here, just go through the checklist. We have videos showing you step by step everything you need to do, how to set up the social posting, how to grab the content, everything, okay? And I'm adding to this checklist constantly. There's like 130 videos in here. And if 130 videos overwhelms you, you can just click on the fast track and you can watch the simple way to do this as well. Go through the checklist and you can start promoting this for $1 and I'll do everything else for you.